We are making a custom gutter. It's only 1.5 inches wide, 4 inches tall. It's because we have that gazebo that's right against the house and there's no space. So let's get to work. We made a connection here because it's 14 feet long and made it taller on the backside. Spacing, and we have the house. So we gotta fit a gutter right in there somehow. Here's the gutter. We made a little corner here, and then the gutter fits right in there, 1.5 inches. So the pergola gets gutters all the way around. For the rest of the gazebo, we are running 5K, 5-inch gutter. Check out these gutter stands. I really like those gutter stands, the blue ones. These are for the 5 and 6. There's also a fascia style. The machine is inside the van with a power pack. So that's very nice. The upper view, so the gutter barely fits in there. Got it all sealed. Different view here. So basically this is a gutter here catching the water. Here we have the gutter complete. 1.5 inch gutter connects to a regular 5K, goes around the patio, and we made a downspout right there. Turned out fabulous. Here we are on the patio. You can see the 1.5 inch gutter right there. Connect, runs inside like that. That's a really tough one. But we got it, we made it happen. And we have our downspout coming over here and into the yard.